Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to uh, begin one quiz session. Okay, quiz session, and this quiz is based on popular English literature. To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird. Who is the writer? So Harper Lee is the writer, and it was published in 1960. Pride and Prejudice. It was written by Jane Austen in which year? 1813. Okay. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It is by J.K. Rowling, published in 19 which year? 1997 year. Okay. The Alchemist, a novel by Paulo Coelho. Okay. Published in which year? Answer is 1988.